gray since you let go. Streetlights blur, I walk real slow. Footsteps echo in my head. Wish you'd said goodbye instead. Windows weep like my disguise. Nobody sees through quiet eyes. The storm outside, it feels so kind. Hides the tears you left behind. Teardrops hiding in the rain, falling soft to mask the pain. No one sees, no one stays. I break in quiet, gentle ways. Teardrops hiding in the rain, like a ghost with no name. You're the silence in my chest. The storm just helps me rest. Down, I need to feel the proof that anything's real. Your sweater still hangs by the door, but you don't wear it anymore. Sidewalk mirrors, shattered skies reflect the ache behind my eyes. I'd scream but storms don't hear, so I just let them hold my fear. Teardrops hiding in the rain, falling soft to mask the pain. No one sees, no one stays. I break in quiet, gentle ways. Teardrops hiding in the rain, like a ghost with no name. You're the silence in my chest. The storm just helps me rest. I heal, let nature cry what I can't feel. If hearts must drown to feel alive, then let me walk beneath the sky. Teardrops hiding in the rain, where no one asks, no one explains. The thunder knows, the lightning sees, but keeps my sorrow just for me. Teardrops hiding in the rain, lost like whispers down a drain. I'm still here, I'm still the same, just teardrops hiding in the rain.